Hey guys, if you like subscription unboxings, keep watching. Hey guys, what's up? It's Kristen. Today I'm going to be doing a May unboxing of Mint Mongoose. Sorry, I'm a little bit late here. I got this in the mail. It's Mint Mongoose. It's $12 a month plus shipping and handling. And you receive 3 pieces of jewelry, which I have received. And the jewelry is awesome. You can pick between silver, gold. They send watches and other items. I'll leave a link here to my last video for Mint Mongoose, and there's another review. So let's get to it. Guys, if you like this kind of videos, if you're new here, please like and subscribe down below. And I have a link to Mint Mongoose where you get your first bag for $10. So please click on that and check it out. So the first item that I received were these earrings here. Look how cute they are, how pretty. Awesome. Love the turquoise. And the next item that I received from them is this really pretty necklace. It has some turquoise here, and at the bottom it has a little triangle here. Very pretty, high quality. I love their jewelry. And on the tag here has this. Okay, and the next item that I got is this really pretty ring. Okay guys, so here are the earrings. They are very pretty. Look at those, very pretty, love them. Next is the ring right here. It is adjustable, love it, gold. And here is the very pretty necklace. I absolutely adore this, love this. I'm probably gonna wear it today with my top, but it is so cute. Very pretty. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. Bye.